Hey love, Chanel Monique, aka Automations Bay here, and this is part 3 of calendar settings. So in the last 2 videos, we went through the process of introducing you to calendars, getting all your settings set up, and we went through the process of walking you through a simple calendar and creating a round robin calendar. Today, let's get into class bookings. Let me tell you, this is the most slept on calendar inside this entire system. I think the reason why it's so slept on is that nobody knows what it is. Like, they don't know the potential, and this little description just doesn't do it, right? The description says contacts can schedule a meeting with a single person on your team. No, that's not what we're using this for. Class booking allows you to create one event and have multiple people sign up for it. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say? Multiple people can sign up for it, and you can control the capacity. You can set a number of slots to control how many people come to the class. Do y'all understand what I'm trying to say? This right here is how I create automated webinars, automated challenges, automated workshops, training sessions, sports events without using Webinar Jam. Right? Webinar Jam costs a pretty penny. You don't have to do that. You can do it all right here just using class bookings. I'm telling y'all, this is so slept on. But let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to set it up. So we're going to go ahead and hit select. We're going to start off as usual by selecting a calendar name. I'm going to choose free 3-day funnel challenge. And for you to be able to create a class booking, you have to select a team member. Somebody has to be the host, just like you would with Webinar Jam or anything else. Somebody has to host this meeting. Somebody has to host this webinar, this class, whatever, right? So we're going to choose a team member. Me, of course. Hey, Automations Bay. Now, custom URL, all this stuff, everything else is exactly how it was when we did the simple calendar. You're going to choose the URL. I'm going to do funnel challenge. I'm going to put the duration to be for hours, and I'm going to do for 2 hours. Seats per class, I'm going to pick, I'm going to say 50. 50 people. Only 50 people could join this class. And booking availability, I'm going to do this class every Sunday and Wednesday. I'm going to do it every Sunday and Wednesday. And the class is going to be 8 p.m. Right? People love 8 p.m.s, right? And it's going to be done by 10 p.m. Right? Now, meet and location, this is where you would put your Zoom link. Right? And then, are you charging for this challenge? I said no. Because I called it a free 3-day challenge. I'm a charge 3-day funnel challenge, and I'm accepting payments of let's see how much we're gonna charge for this, y'all. We're gonna charge $4.97 for our funnel challenge, 3-day funnel challenge for $4.97. That's really good. Description, in description is going to be join our 3-day challenge where we teach you blah 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 blah, right? Because we're not going to get that deep into it. And then we're going to hit, first off, we can at least make it look good, right? Capital letters. I'm not going to go all the way through it, but make your descriptions and stuff look good, right? And we're going to get into advanced settings. So now diving into the advanced settings, everything is basically the same as a simple calendar and as the round robin. The difference is going to be on the availability tab. When you scroll down, it has the seats per class. If you need to change, maybe I put 50, maybe we want 500 people to come in, right? So we'll change that, and you just have to remember to hit save. Now, when you get into forms and payments, At the top, you see where it says pre-populate fields, sticky contacts. This means if they've ever filled out anything else for you within this system. Like if they ever had any other appointments with you, if they ever filled out a form, purchased a product, or did anything else where they plugged in name, email, phone number, it's going to automatically populate so that they don't have to fill it out. The less stuff your people have to fill out, the more likely they are to go all the way through the process, right? So we do want to turn sticky contacts on. Consent checkbox. It already has like a default message. I confirm that I want to receive content from this company using any contact information I provide. You can leave that as is. And again, you can also add in, if you were charging for this, you can also add in your refund policy and your cancellation policy. Down here on the confirmation page, you can leave it as a default. And this message, you know how I feel about the contact our office. I like everything. I don't like surprises. I like automations, and I like to know when somebody's calling. So I usually delete that. I don't want no surprise calls, right? Again, you can redirect them to a URL. Then you have the Pixel ID. You definitely want to plug that in if you're running a challenge or a webinar or a class or something where you're running ads. You want your Facebook Pixel ID in here. Auto confirm new calendar meetings. And if you're charging for it, again, you're going to put your payment here just like you would on any other calendar. Also notice on form and payments, you didn't see the option for them to add a guest, because if you're doing a class, a webinar, a challenge, anything like that, you really want to track everybody that's on there. And so you don't want them to be able to just add a guest. You want everybody to go through the process of filling out the form and signing up to be in that class, that webinar, that challenge, etc. Right? So now inside notifications and additional options, you are going to choose on how you want them to receive notification, just like you did in the last one. Allow Google Calendar, send invite. And then for cancellation and rescheduling, when it comes to the class bookings, they may cancel, but they usually can't reschedule because it's a class booking, it's a group booking. But if you have multiple dates, like for example, as I said earlier, I'm going to be doing a free class 2 days out the week. Maybe they missed the first day and want to come to the second one, or maybe they want to come next week. And so in that case, they can reschedule. And that's it. That's all you got to do with class bookings. In the next video, we're going to go over calendars part 4. Make sure you stay tuned. If you don't already have this system and you want to get this system, make sure you click the link below or in my bio to sign up with my affiliate link so I can send you all my resources, all my courses, and a free small business snapshot. That way, you're not starting and building from scratch. It gives you a little boost to take you to the next level and scale your business. Stay tuned. See you in the next round.